The Grand Canyon, nature's geological masterpiece. Introduction. The Grand Canyon, a world-famous natural wonder, stands as a testament to the Earth's dynamic geological history and the extraordinary forces that have shaped our planet over millions of years. In this detailed exploration, we'll delve deep into the intricate story of the Grand Canyon, from its formation to its profound significance as one of nature's most awe-inspiring creations. 1. Formation and geological significance. The Grand Canyon's astonishing expanse, spanning approximately 277 miles, 446 kilometers, in length, and depths reaching over a mile, 1.6 kilometers, is the result of intricate geological processes. Over millions of years, the Colorado River chiseled through layers of rock, gradually exposing a mesmerizing tapestry of sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous rock formations. 2. Layers unveiling Earth's history. Each layer of the Grand Canyon's rock reveals a unique chapter in Earth's history. The exposed rock strata span over 2 billion years, showcasing an unparalleled geological record of Earth's evolution. From ancient oceans to desert dunes, these layers hold clues about shifting landscapes, climate changes, and the rise and fall of ancient life forms. 3. The role of the Colorado River. The Colorado River, a relentless and patient force, played the central role in carving the Grand Canyon. Over millions of years, its erosional power cut through layers of rock, creating the awe-inspiring depths and intricate patterns that we marvel at today. The river's flow is both an artistic sculptor and geological storyteller. 4. Erosion's ongoing work. Erosion continues to shape the Grand Canyon to this day. Wind, rain, and the Colorado River continue their intricate dance, shaping the landscape and revealing new layers of rock. Iconic features such as the towering buttes and spires, as well as the sinuous paths of side canyons, are a testament to the ongoing artistry of nature. 5. Biodiversity and ecosystems. The Grand Canyon is not only a geological masterpiece but also a haven for biodiversity. Its diverse ecosystems span from the river's depths to the rim's high plateaus. Home to a wide array of plant and animal species, the canyon's varying microclimates support life in unexpected places, showcasing nature's ability to adapt and thrive. 6. Indigenous connections. For indigenous peoples, the Grand Canyon is a sacred landscape that has held spiritual significance for generations. It's a place where cultures have intertwined with the land, forming a deep connection that continues to resonate through time. Today, the canyon remains a place of reverence and cultural identity. 7. Conservation efforts and national park status. Recognizing its exceptional value, the Grand Canyon was designated a national park in 1919. This protected status ensures its preservation for future generations. The efforts of conservationists and park rangers are instrumental in maintaining the canyon's natural beauty and ecological integrity. Conclusion. The Grand Canyon, with its awe-inspiring vistas, towering cliffs, and intricate rock layers, stands as a profound testament to the Earth's ever-changing landscapes and the indomitable power of geological processes. As you gaze into its depths, remember that you're peering into a timeless story of the Earth's evolution, one that continues to shape the world around us and inspire a sense of wonder and humility. Thank you.